So here's my little review of the Green Valley Homestay, Ninh Binh, Trang An, Vietnam. The place is in a beautiful location, absolutely beautiful. There's a little garden along here. We'll have a little walk around the whole place first and then I'll show you the room. Nice little gardens, all quite well kept. Bonsai trees here and there. There's a reception desk over there. Lots of space for tables for eating. We didn't eat here much, we had a few breakfasts that came free with our the price of our room. I'd have to say, it's basically just pancakes or some rice porridge. We had pancakes every day. I'd have to say the pancakes were a little bit rubbery. But hey ho, that's the way it goes, they were nice enough. Even though they did get our order wrong a couple of times. We've got this lovely little lake here, pond should I say. Lily pads in it, there's fish going around in it. Some little waterfront villas over there, all quite nice. It's surrounded by these limestone hills, or limestone karsts they call them, which makes it an absolutely beautiful location. You really can't fault the location. Unfortunately at the moment you can hear some noise because there's a bit of building work going on next door, but it's not going to last forever. And there's a pool table, they sell beer. They did have some music one night that was very loud, but stopped at 9:30 in the evening, so it's fair enough, isn't it? Lots of lanterns, it's quite illuminated at night. Look, they've got lots of lanterns and little lights hanging up, little lights wrapped around the trees. Very pretty. Very pretty. More little waterfront bungalows here. And there's a building site there, but like I say, it's never going to last forever. These look quite nice, they're more expensive than our room. We always go for the budget room because we've not got a lot of money. Another little pond there with lots of fish in it. Another more rooms, all quite nice, very pretty. Very pretty indeed. Oh, I think these are jackfruits growing on the tree all over the place. Big old things, there's my hand next to it. A little place in the middle of the lily pond there. Sitting there, they'll deliver your breakfast or your dinner, whatever you're eating to there. Again, more of the beautiful surrounding rocks. It is a beautiful place. Absolutely beautiful. Right, it's virtually surrounded by them. And you've got a nice pool here. It's not bad, it's not freezing cold. It's not boiling hot. It's looking a little cloudy now. When we first came, it was crystal clear, but I guess you've got a job keeping it clean every day with all these leaves falling in. But just up there, where the rock goes brown, they've got a pump up there. And they can pump water from the pool and it comes down there like a cascading waterfall. Which is very pretty. Very nice indeed. As I say, a beautiful location. Absolutely wonderful. And those workmen, they stop working about 10:30, 11 o'clock because it gets too hot and they don't start again till 3 or 4. So sort of all that time in the pool is absolutely peaceful and beautiful. No complaints there. Have a little walk over here. See a little bamboo sort of bridge over the water. Another little family bungalow over there. Nicky had a look in the window when there was no one in there. So there's 3 double beds. And what a lovely place to sit down and have your dinner, eh? Beautiful, beautiful. Lily pads and all that, very nice. More waterfront little rooms up here. See that one, you can see a big lump of the rock in there, a big lump of mountain in there. Back in the dining area. Back in the garden, this is just outside our room. Here's our room in here. It's a little small, but we're not complaining. We saw the size of it when we got it through booking.com. We saw the size of the room. It was okay, it was lovely and clean when we came in. Nice and clean. Hello, Nicky. Nice clean room, big bed, nice and clean. Unfortunately no fridge, which was a bit of a shame. But I suppose we should have looked a bit harder on booking.com. A little bathroom back here. Shower gets lovely and hot. No complaints really. I guess because it's a bit of a remote place, the electric goes off every now and then and the lights sort of flicker and stuff like that. I guess because it's so remote really. So well, that's about it really. Green Valley Homestay, Trang An, Ninh Binh, Vietnam. We paid about £15 for our room, which you can't moan for such a beautiful location. We stayed here 5 days, and I honestly think 5 days was a bit too long because there's not much around here. There's a few restaurants up the road, a little mini mart. That's about it. I'd give it, I don't know, probably a 4 out of 5, 7 out of 10, something like that, do you reckon?
So, yeah.
About the same. So yeah, a beautiful place. If you like our videos, guys, please hit the like button and subscribe. It might help us to make more in the future. Wherever you are in the world, take care. Hope you're having a great day. Bye bye.